Hello my friends, welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and on this channel I like to share all my tips and tricks on how I lost over 200 pounds eating ketogenically and how you can be successful on your own weight loss journey. So if that's what you're looking for, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more videos like this one to inspire you to get started. Welcome everyone. I am so excited to see you here. You have no idea. It is Saturday, August 29th, 2020, and it is the final weigh-in day for my summer keto cut challenge. Woo! I made it, guys. I made it all the way to the end. I didn't think I was gonna make it, but I made it, and I'm super excited and happy about making it 13 weeks on a cut, because it's getting harder and harder to do that the smaller and smaller I get, which is awesome because I'm getting smaller and smaller each time. But I'm really happy that I got to the 13 weeks. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about my journey over the 13 weeks, basically where I've come from, where I've been and all that, and where I made it to, and I'll show you my weigh-in, my final weigh-in, and at the end of the video, don't miss it, I'm gonna have a slideshow of all my pictures that I took every week, and you guys can see the final result of this summer keto cut. Keep watching for the next series in this new adventure, which is going to be a reverse dieting for normies series. Basically, people who are not bodybuilders, and of course, keto style, because I do not intend to go off of keto during my reverse diet. And I think that it's got to be possible because people say it's possible to maintain keto, and I want to figure out how I can maintain keto. So I've had experience with that, and I will talk about that in the next video. But for this video, we are talking about how the cut went. So my starting weight at the beginning of the cut, I kind of differ between which one, because on May 29th, I was 196.6, and on June 1st, I think I was 193.4. So I could start with either one of those. According to the official countdown 13-weeker things, we start from the first. So 193.4, I guess, was the official weight. My body fat percentage that day, according to the Renpho scale, not according to DEXA scan, because I didn't get a DEXA scan this time. I wanted to, but thanks to COVID, I didn't dare. I am going for a DEXA scan today, so be watching for that video. I'm going to be doing an update. But according to the Renpho scale, my body fat percentage at the beginning of this cut was 37.9. How is that even possible? It's so high. I think last summer, according to the DEXA, I can't remember how much I was on the Renpho, but last summer I got down to 31 according to DEXA. So that means I put on, well, I don't know how much I put on because I don't know what it was on the Renpho. It's hard to tell when you go back, like what the dates are. If I can figure that out, I will put it in the DEXA scan video. As of today, I am officially at 32.4 body fat according to the Renpho scale, and that's a 5.5% body fat drop in 13 weeks. I am super proud of that number. I am super proud of it. This week was painful, literally. I had the hardest time staying on the cut this week. I kept thinking mentally, like, I am just so done, and physically my body just doesn't want to do it anymore. Not that it's not losing weight, I'm still losing weight. I just feel tired, exhausted. I can't get enough electrolytes in to help combat that. My stomach is always got that achy feeling, not quite hunger, but not quite not. And sometimes I like that achy feeling because it means, like, you know, that body fat's burning. But lately it's literally painful and horrible, and I'm having a hard time with it. So I had a hard time keeping my calories at 1300 this week. I kept telling myself, you got to do this, because this is where you're starting for the reverse. And if you can't do it this week, what are you going to do next week when you're basically doing the same dang thing? I tried my best. So I actually figured out my averages for you. So I added up all of my calories for the week. So the highest day was actually last Saturday. It was 1423, which isn't bad. Come on. I mean, considering it could have been so much worse, or not worse, but like higher. I could have chosen to eat a higher calorie. Anyway, the average for the 7 days was 1320. So I'm 20 over what I'm supposed to be at, which technically means I'm sort of mini starting the reverse early, maybe. I don't know. But whatever, it doesn't matter. 1320 is what I ate this week, my average. My average protein this week was 134 grams. My average carbs this week was 19 grams. And my average fats for the week was 70. I like to keep them in the 60s when I am trying to lose body fat, and I think that's part of the reason my calories were a little higher, because obviously my protein and my carbs were not. So there's the little sticking point, my couple calories higher on my average fats. But you know what? I'm still pretty happy with those numbers. I think I did a good job. It was hard. You know, it's one thing to do it when it's easy. It's quite another thing to do it when it's hard. And at the beginning of this journey, at the beginning of this summer, I should say, this cut, the first 8 weeks were cake. But once I hit week 10, it has been really, really hard. And I'll tell you what, weeks 12 and 13 nearly did me in. I have not eaten yet today. It is afternoon. I cannot eat until after my DEXA scan, because I am actually going to be doing a basal metabolic rate study where you breathe into a tube for 10 minutes. They monitor the gases that leave your body, and it apparently can determine how many calories you're burning just lying there. So I cannot eat anything or even drink any caffeine. So I have not had any caffeine today. Guys, be proud. This is like the first time I've gone without a bang in a really long time. I may lose my mind. The only thing I've had today is my vitamins and my electrolytes and water. So it's almost time to go. I'm looking forward to getting out the door because I am going to eat a lot of food today. But for my diet break, I am going to start it with a refeed. So my next week's calories, I can't decide. I think I might not figure the weekend calories into my average calorie for the week and just do the low days just to make sure that I'm doing it the right way. Or I might just not count this weekend at all and just count next weekend toward the reverse. Maybe start the days over, like with a Monday instead of Saturday. I don't know. But somehow I'm going to reach a decision about what I'm going to do in order to keep track of my calories as I raise them up week by week. And I have so many weight fluctuations. I decided that I am actually going to start videoing my weight every day just so you guys can really laugh. Because if you think my weight fluctuates weekly, you should see what it does daily. You will die. So I've decided that for the first week of the reverse, I am actually going to take my weight every single day and show you guys, and I might daily vlog. Okay, don't hold me to that one. I have high hopes that I'm going to daily vlog the reverse, at least the first week for you guys. But I don't know, with having hide and seek and trying to daily vlog there and helping Eloise with her channel and homeschool, might be a little bit too much to handle. We'll see. We'll see. It's a high hope goal. And if not, I will just take all the clips from every day and stick it into a video. And instead of doing my food video, my regular food video, this is going to be in place of that during the time that I'm doing the reverse. So I hope that that's fun for you guys and that you like that, and you'll see what I'm doing, exactly what I'm eating, everything just like on the cut. So we won't leave you out. All right, I think that's all I wanted to talk about how my week went. And so I've got to go soon, so we may as well get to the weigh-in. So you can put you guys out of your misery, because I know that's what you're here for, to see how much weight I lost, and then we can talk about that when I get back. All right, to the weigh-in. Yes, I am smiling. Guys, it was my secret goal. Okay, not so secret goal. That I dreamed and hoped that I would see the 160s before the end of this cut. And there it was, 169.2. Ah! I'm so excited. I'm so happy. It makes it all worth it. It makes it all worth it. I don't even know the math on that. Let's see, 169.2. I've been doing math as a homeschooler all week, so I should be able to do this math quick, right? While talking, because that's what I do, right? I hope I do this right now. I'm like freaking out. 24.2 pounds from the June 1st number in 13 weeks, and 27.4 from the May 29th number. Let's just go with the June number, 24. So basically 24 pounds in 13 weeks. So Jordan's diet says that you're at too extreme of a deficit if you're losing more than 2 pounds. So I am technically, even though I was doing an extreme deficit according to him, because he does not recommend having such an extreme deficit, I still did not lose an excessive amount of weight compared to what he says like is the not safety zone. He says above 2 pounds a week. So that's about an average, less than 2 pounds. It's just a little over 1.75 pounds a week, which I feel like is pretty reasonable weight loss, especially at my size. I would have been absolutely thrilled to lose 1 pound a week. I didn't expect to lose any pounds, frankly. I was thinking it was going to be a complete and utter fail, and I am actually ecstatic. Now I know that the reason that it worked so well was because I spent 9 months trying to find my maintenance calories, which was basically bumping up my metabolism to a ridiculously good rate, because my body was learning to maintain on a higher calorie. I didn't realize that's what was happening because I was gaining some weight. Yes, I did gain some body fat, and that's one thing I have learned, that during a reverse and a maintenance phase, you are gonna put on some body fat. There's literally no way you're not. You've decreased your metabolism, and as you raise your calories, you are going to sometimes put on body fat. So I am going into this expecting that next week I will be up, especially with the refeed this weekend. But I do have high hopes that this is going to prevent me ballooning like I did last time to 20 pounds up. I'm hoping that maybe I can keep it in more like the 5 to 10 pound range so that I can be a lot better situation the next time I decide to do a keto cut. So, yay, I'm excited. 5.5% body fat down according to my Renfo means I didn't maybe lose too much lean mass, though I will find out at least. I won't know exactly how much because I didn't do the DEXA right before I did this cut. Don't know how much lean mass I put on during my maintenance phase. I would imagine I put on a good amount of lean mass, so we'll see. But I will be able to compare my numbers, so be watching because I am leaving right now to go and get that done, and that will be in a separate video for you. There are going to be too many videos, and I'm sorry about that. I'm really excited, and I have a lot to talk about with this reverse, and I have a lot to update you guys on, and so there's going to be a lot of videos for a little bit of time. It won't last. So enjoy it while it lasts, guys, because I know you love seeing my shining face. I mean, who doesn't, right? Well, whatever. Anyway, thank you so much. Don't forget to check out the About section with all my goodies on how you can get started on a ketogenic way of eating and how you can do your own keto cut. If you need some help and support, we have a link to our Facebook group over there where we have a group of people that will help you walk through your journey. And I, of course, am over there, and I will give you free coaching while you come over and join us in that group. So I'm looking forward to seeing you over there. And don't forget all the ways you can support the channel, which are also in the About section: Patreon, Teespring, PayPal, things like that. And and Amazon affiliate links. We really appreciate all the support because I am a mom of 9 kids and I don't really work outside the home aside from YouTube. I homeschool, so I always appreciate any little tidbit that you can throw my way. And I love you all so much. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you all again soon.